when doing this problem, I'm going to, since I spent a little time doing where the I and everything came from before, I'm going to go and speed this one up a little bit. We know that taking the square root of a negative 1 is going to give us I. So therefore, I can quickly rewrite this. I can take the square root of 4, which is 2. So therefore, this becomes 2I. Oh, almost. OK, does everybody see how I got that? Now, you can leave it in the radicals, and you can multiply with radicals. But we haven't talked about radical operations. So I think it'd be much easier to rewrite everything in terms of I. Then we can apply it just like we did with the x's, right? The operation is going to remain the same. I knew I forgot one last thing. So we need to multiply using FOIL or using the box method. All right, so 2I times 5I is going to be 10I squared. 2I times 2 is going to be a positive 4I. Negative 7 times 5I is a negative 35I. And negative 7 times positive 2 is a negative 14. OK? Now we have 4I minus 35I. That is going to be a negative 31I. And I needed to go over one more thing with you guys, which I knew I forgot. One thing I want you guys to understand is I squared. I'll show you after this video. I squared represents negative 1. We'll just go over it. Just write it down, though, for right now, and I'll explain it in just a second. So if that's negative 1, that 10 times negative 1 is going to be negative 10. Negative 10 minus 14 is going to be a negative 24. So your final answer is negative 24 minus 31I. That would be your final answer. OK? I'm sorry, I forgot to do that. I did that in the last two classes. So